Okie dokie. We got our order for March.
And we got it really fast.
Yeah, we do. We pay the priority shipping because we just like getting it here faster. And very cool. Awesome. Anyway, hit it.
So first of all, I want to say that we finally got our dishwasher pods.
I totally forgot to order them last
Super
time.
low, and today we need to use them before we go. Anyway, as far as my order is concerned, I went ahead and did the LLV, which you know that the LLV is these three, and the Mega Plus, E Omega Plus, and then you've got the Microplex, BMG, and the CRS. And that's how it goes together. And then you can add on that, and you can get some, at least 3 freebies.
Not freebies, but
discounted. Not freebies.
Yeah.
That's right. And then one of those that comes with the LLV, when you do that system, then you can get your Biome Duo, which is the PB Restore and the PB Assist Plus. And I use that on such a regular basis that I definitely need to get that replaced.
yeah.
And then also on that 3, I wanted to get the Collagen, the MetaPower Advantage. And I like the one that's the pomegranate cherry one. Mm-hmm. And I use it every day, and I really am glad that I can have it. Yes. Also, as a part of that little add-on, there's 3 add-ons. I got a discount on the Deep Blue Polyphenol. I take those twice a day, sometimes 3 times a day, because I have achiness and soreness, and I'm having some back therapy and stuff, and I definitely need that. So that's what I got. Linda?
Yeah, okay, you want to wait on those?
Yeah, I want to wait.
Okay, cool. Awesome. All right. I got the MetaPower Recharge. This is your electrolytes. I need this stuff so bad, and I love these. These are the wild strawberry flavor. Sometimes I get the lemon lime, but I didn't this time. But anyway, I use these pretty much every day. In fact, yesterday I used 2 of them. So this is so great to hydrate your cells and help your body. Okay, I got a Tri-Ease, which is your lemon, lavender, and peppermint in a gel cap. And these are really great for when you kind of feel stuffy, itchy eyes, your head just feels clogged up or whatever.
We've got a lot of the plum and cherry blossom going cuckoo this week.
Yep, so these really do help. And then I got On Guard, the soft gels. I've been getting these a lot lately and just using them most every day, not always, but most of the time I use them on a daily basis. At least the wintry times of the year, which right now we have fabulous weather, but this is the On Guard blend plus the powerhouse of Melissa, black pepper, and oregano in these gel caps as well. So that just is that extra little oomph for when you need immune support.
Yes, that's so good.
Yep, and then I've got 2 bottles of the On Guard. One of these goes back to the office that I grabbed one from there with permission. Yes, I did. And a Motivate, which I grabbed one from the office as well because a lady in town wanted to buy one of those. Mm-hmm. Then I'll do the PB Assist. Now I get the PB Assist Plus. This is the little pixie stick. This is your probiotic, prebiotic, postbiotic. I think everybody needs improved gut health for most people because not everybody eats as good and clean as we should. So there's that. And then I got the Women's Phytoestrogen. Now I haven't used this in a long time, but Dr. Hill, who is one of the owners of doTERRA, came to St. George and did an event just last week, and he was talking, this was one of the many things they were talking about, and I just thought, maybe I'll try this again. It's really great for menopause and just women's hormones, but they said that it is good for both men and women. So
I'm going to try it.
he's going to try it too.
So it can help me, you know, balanced.
Yes. What a look. I
So,
tell you.
Yeah, I'm going to try it.
We were laughing earlier. We'll tell you about it. No, we won't go there.
Okay,
Then go.
So this
with
month I asked Linda if I can use some of the bonus points for some of the products. And I went ahead and got a replenish on my frankincense boswellic acid complex. That's a dual where you have the resin and the oil combined. It's really, really, really good. And I was running really low, so I asked to see if I could use some of our bonus in our bank. And of course, I was running really low on the turmeric dual chamber. This is also one where you have the oil and the turmeric together. So good for you for so many things. And then of course the DDR Prime, which is very helpful at cellular level. I was running very low on that. I don't take these every day. I might take them maybe once or twice a week, but I was running really low on that. So thank you very much.
Yeah, then one last thing. Lemon oil is the free oil of the month when you place an order, loyalty or rewards order is what they call them now, of 125 PV by the 15th of the current month. So with that being said, I wanted to tell you a little secret that I use. Of course, we use these, sorry, I just couldn't help myself. We use these laundry pods. Then I take a lemon oil and I just, right on the door of the dishwasher, and I just sprinkle like 3-4 drops, and it really helps to, instead of using one of those rinse aid things, I just put this on the door and it really helps keep the spots off and things like that. So.
And speaking of citrus oils, at this event that we went to the last part of the week, they really talked up the wild orange and the other citrus oils, that we need to take those internally or take them or put them on us or put them in our water every day, a couple of times a day or whatever. And that less is best, so you want to do it more often during the day, because some oils, they kind of wear off sooner than others. But this is the time of the year that we need to increase on our citrus oils.
And another thing that I forgot to mention about the lemon oil is I was listening to a doctor and she was talking about using the lemon oil in her water. If you're going to use it in your water, remember that you want to use either glass or stainless steel. You don't want to put it in plastic because it will dissolve that plastic to some degree, and then you're drinking water or whatever with plastic in it, and we want to avoid that. But she said this is excellent for brain health. Excellent for brain.
So
because lemon's a cleanser.
We're diffusing some of that, either the wild orange or the lemon or the combo.
Yeah.
But anyway, that's great.
So yeah, this month I didn't get any vitamins because I'm stocked up on those. And I probably should have gotten the collagen, but I'm like, I think I'll make it close enough to the end of the month. So I'm going to wait for that.
And it's Tuesday, and we're getting ourselves ready to go to leadership in San Diego.
Yeah, the doTERRA
That's
leadership.
where I grew up, so it's going to be nice.
Yeah, nice weather, of course. But anyway, thanks so much for watching. And if you are watching on YouTube, please like and subscribe and share. That would be awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
Hey, bye, you guys.
Bye.